What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me for today's video. We got a little bit of a cloudy day here today, but you know what? I'm still gonna gamble. I scouted out a little spot here that I want to ride up to. We got some plans for a fun little lunch. Come along for the ride. Let's go. Oh, a speed trap. Yeah. 14, 15, 16, go! On your left, one more time, sorry. Thank you. Curb? What curb? Oh. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so this is the neighborhood where this little spot I found is. So now I just got to figure out how to get on the right path here to get out. So I'll come back in a second. Okay, here we go. We found it. right, cool. Hey, we made it. So normally when I drive to work, I don't know if you can see it, there's a road right there that goes up right there, right up on the ridge, and that loops all the way up around to Deer Valley where I work. So a bunch of times driving up there, I've looked down there and seen this big pergola out here. And I was like, oh, that'd be so cool. Come out here and do a little cook out here, because it is beautiful. So it's surrounded by these little man-made lakes, and there's a couple people out here fishing right now. And it's really pretty, just in this little housing community down here. But I did kind of mess up. So I didn't scout it, and I just looked here, and I assumed that there was going to be like picnic benches, and there's no benches. So I think I'm just gonna pop a squat right here, and we'll make a little food. So stay tuned, let's get set up and let's get cooking some food. Whew, okay, well I moved you guys over here because you're a little bit more out of the wind. It's kind of coming right at me here, so apologize for the wind noise. But first things first, let's crack one of these open. My neighbor gave me one of these. They are a pineapple orange mimosa wheat ale from Uinta Brewing, so from right here in our backyard. So let's, oh yeah, give that a try. That's pretty dang good. Okay. Okay, so as you saw from the title, right, crispy spicy chicken sandwich. Where did this come from? The other day, me and the wife were down in Salt Lake City running a couple errands, and we went to Chick-fil-A while we were at the mall. I got a spicy chicken sandwich. It was so disappointing. The chicken wasn't crispy. It was barely spicy. I just felt like such a ripoff. So I said, I can do better than that. So I got the pack here. I got a couple goodies in there. We got the stove. We're going to get set up here, and we're going to make a nice spicy crispy chicken sandwich. So let's get set up, and I'll bring you guys back in a second. I got the MSR with the wind burner and the skillet set up. I forgot my stand though, so should be okay. It's on a concrete base here. All right, ingredients. So we've got our oil. This is what we're gonna fry the chicken in. To bread the chicken, standard breading procedure here. Jeez, that guy is ripping around. Okay, to bread the chicken, standard breading right here. So we've got some seasoned flour, we've got some seasoned panko, and then we've got a egg wash right here. So we'll bread it up. We've got our marinated chicken right here. I'll drop the video in of me making the marinade for this chicken. And then we've got a little French bun, we've got some lettuce, we've got some pickles, and then I've got some habanero and jalapeno cheese here. So that's what's gonna make it more spicy and make a way better version than a Chick-fil-A one. So pretty much all set up here. So let's get some oil in the pan, let's get it heated up, and we'll have to bread our chicken here. So let's make it happen. All right, what's going on everybody? Here in my kitchen, we are gonna get this chicken into a nice spicy marinade for our crispy spicy chicken sandwich. So I'll bring you right over here and show you all the ingredients that I'm gonna put into the marinade, and then we'll break the chicken down, we'll get it in the bag, and we'll let it sit overnight here in the fridge before our ride. Coming on over here, all right, so we've got our chicken breast in our little mixing deli cup right here. I've got probably 2 tablespoons of just canola oil. And then we're gonna start adding some spice. So we've got el tapatio, we've got el yucateco, habanero, and chili tepin. This is a really hot sauce that my wife got for me. We're gonna add a little mustard. We're gonna add a little juice from these diced or sliced hot jalapeno peppers. Whenever you're making a marinade for chicken, it is great to add some type of a vinegar, especially pickle juice works really, really well. So we're gonna add that in there. That's gonna help tenderize the chicken and make it really nice and tender. And then our little spice blend right here. So we've got salt, we've got black pepper, we've got Italian seasoning, we've got roasted granulated garlic, and we've got some red chili flakes. All right, let's get this chicken broken down and we'll make our little marinade for it. Okay, into the deli cup with the oil right here. We're gonna add a couple nice shakes of Tapatio. Add a nice little bit of the Yucateco. Little poot of Dijon. Nice little splash of our jalapeno pickle juice. And then we've got our spice mix right here. And that's all going to come together to go right onto the chicken. Struggling today. While that's heating up, let's get our setup ready to dredge our chicken. Oh, look at the chili flakes on that. Yeah, this thing's been marinating now for like 48 hours. Oh man, that is, ooh, that smells so spicy, holy cow. Okay, just gonna do that. almost in. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're ready here. Let's go for a little flipperoo. Oh. Alright, I dropped the lid on top here to try to melt some of that cheese. Sometimes you just forget stuff. I could have brought a little piece of aluminum foil. I didn't bring my pot stand. I really wish MSR made a lid for this skillet, and it kind of irritates me that it doesn't have one. You know, add a couple grams and a nice little lid to put on top would be clutch. But you're dirty. Just enjoying some of these blue skies and sunshines. And this beer is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna have to ask my neighbor where he got some because I want to get like a 6-pack of it. Not bad. Okay, watch out. Here she comes. I should have got a bigger bun. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh, that is so fat. I should have got a bigger bun for it. Okay, let's see. How did we do? Oh. Holy cow. That is that's spicy. Man. That is like 100 times better than the sandwich I got. Holy cow. Eat your heart out, Chick-fil-A. Do better. Oh, ma'am, I got something coming over. What you got? Oh. Okay, thank you. And what's your name? Bella. Thank you so much, Bella. I got brought a little tasty good by the other family here sharing the pergola with me. I don't want this plate to blow away. Oh, that's so good. Thank you. Well, hey, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, say hi. Otherwise, I will catch you out on the next one. See ya! Woo!